System components.
The first section of this training course aims to familiarize you with all the components of the Rautitan water system.
The Rautitan water system comprises the Rautitan PEX pipes from 16 to 63 mm, Rautitan polymer PX compression sleeves and PX fittings from 16 to 40 mm, Rautitan MX brass compression sleeves and fittings for 50 and 63 mm, and the universal Rautitan 1 DZR brass fittings from 16 to 40 mm. There are 4 types of Rautitan PEX water pipes: platinum for hot and cold water, red for hot water, green for rainwater, and lilac for recycled water. They are virtually identical, with the colour of the outer layer being the main difference. The Rautitan PEX pipes are SDR 7.4 and are pressure-rated PN20. Being PEX gives Rautitan pipes greater kink resistance and flexibility. The pipe maintains its stability and shape after being bent, which allows for more control during installation and fewer fittings. For fittings in water applications, there are PX polymer fittings for sizes 16 to 40 mm. They are lightweight PPSU material, black in colour and easily distinguishable from the brass fittings. There are also MX DZR brass fittings for 50 and 63 mm sizes only. For both water and gas, the Rautitan 1 DZR brass fittings are available in sizes 16 to 40 mm and feature a yellow dot to clearly indicate they are universal. The details of this will be covered in greater depth in the Rautitan gas training. It is vital that you understand the correct fitting to use in the correct application and how to easily identify them. The Rautitan range also consists of different types of sleeves to suit different applications. The lightweight black universal PVDF sleeve is reversible and used in the smaller sizes in water and gas. The larger MX sleeves are made of brass and easily distinguishable in size and material. Both sleeve types are only available in the sizes that suit their respective fittings. In that way, there is no confusion or mismatch. It is important, however, to note the chamfered end of one side of the MX sleeve. This means it is only able to be compressed onto the pipe in one direction. This will be discussed further in the assembly instructions. Rehau products uphold a high degree of quality and precision by utilising advanced manufacturing techniques and stringent quality control. While this results in superior properties, including durability, trained Rehau authorised installers should aim to make the most of these properties by also conducting their own work in a precise way, with a high level of quality in mind. Rehau Rautool kits for water applications consist of an expander tool, expander heads, a compression tool, and a pipe cutter. The Red Pipe Cutter 40 is the most versatile cutter for standard Rautitan PEX pipes and can be used on sizes 16 to 40 mm. The Green Stabil Pipe Cutter is specifically designed for the Rautitan Stabil and Gas Stabil pipes. However, it can also be used for sizes 16 and 20 mm standard PEX pipes. The lightweight Polymer Cutter 25 can be used on PEX pipes only. Finally, the Pipe Cutter 63 is suited for use on larger pipe sizes, from 40 to 63 mm. Always be sure to check you have the correct pipe cutter to suit the pipe you're cutting. If you have any doubts, consult the Rautitan technical information for a complete cross-reference. You'll be expanding the pipe using either a manual or battery-powered expander tool. Always ensure you use only the blue expander heads meant for water applications with PEX pipes. Do not use the green-coloured expander heads with tapered ends, as these are designed for the Rautitan Stabil and Gas Stabil pipes and can cause the pipe to be incorrectly expanded.